nandito sa receipt was, this. Michido Final Power. Final Power! Hi guys, it's Laravel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you guys the things that I bought from Watsons. So, as some of you might know, recently nag-tweet ako sa Twitter na kailangan ko ng tulong in finding people that want to avail my affordable hair and makeup services. Kasi kailangan kong sumideline, for extra allowance bilang fresh grad and unemployed. So, habang naghahanap ako ng job, I wanted to make use of my knowledge in makeup. So, kaya dun sa mga nag-retweet dun sa Twitter ko, maraming salamat kasi you made it reach a lot of people. Now, I had a lot of upcoming clients. So, dahil doon, bumili ako ng mga gagamitin ko, of course, for them, for my clients. And since merong promo yung Watsons ngayon na pag naka-reach ka ng 1,400 pesos in a single purchase and meron kang binili na kahit alin dun sa mga participating brands, I'm not sure kung ano yung list na yon, pero you can ask it from the store. Meron kang makukuhang free notebook, and yung notebook na yun, papakita ko later. It's cute. So actually, dalawang notebook yung na-avail namin ng sister ko kasi nung nagbabayad ako, I found out na it reached 2,500 pesos. Sabi ko, actually sabi ng sister ko, parang sayang naman kung hindi pa namin ipupush mag 2.8. So, para makakuha kami dalawang notebook. One for me and one for my sister. So, kaya yun, pinush na namin. And we made sure naman na lahat ng binili namin is not just for wasting money. Gagamitin talaga namin siya, and also I will use them on my clients. So, ayun, mag-start na tayo sa ating Watsons Haul 2019. Wow! So, I would advise pala guys, when you buy things from Watsons, since they're using paper bags na, don't just, open it recklessly. Try as much as possible kung kaya nyo. Tanggalin yung stapleware so you can use the paper bags. Kasi nga, diba, ayaw na nating masira pa si Mother Earth. So, ayun. Okay. So, it's open. Pwede pang reuse yung paper bag. And, here's the receipt. Gusot na siya. Yung una na nandito sa receipt was, this. Michido Final Power. Final Power! Yeah, so the first thing that I bought is this Final Powder from Nichido. It's only for 150 pesos, yes. And kaya ko siya binili kasi this is good for yung mga natural makeup look, yung mga parang fresh look lang. Kasi hindi siya full coverage. And ang focus na talaga ay para lang maset yung makeup para hindi siya magmukhang greasy or cakey tingnan. I like how it looks, so I think my clients will like this too. Kaya binili ko siya kasi gagamitin ko rin sa kanila. Based from my experience, okay naman siya. So, if you wanna try it, you can buy it from Watsons. Ayan, pagsamahin na nga natin. So, the next thing that I bought was ito. Watsons Round Puffs. So, basically, bulak siya. Bulak lang siya, pero kasi, the reason why I bought this is, kung makikita nyo, I have skin imperfections right now. So, meron akong skincare na pina-follow from my derma, and sobrang magastos siya sa bulak. I had to buy this kasi yung original na ginagamit kong bulak from a different brand was so expensive, and yun nga, right now, kailangan ko magtipid. So, eto, it's actually bigger than the original brand I was using, pero it's only for 59 pesos. 100 round puffs siya, 100 pieces. Ayan o. Yun, so sulit siya for 59 pesos for me. So, ayun. After buying cotton, I realized I needed dry tissue din kasi I'm not a fan of yung blotting paper. Kasi number 1, ang mahal niya, and number 2, same lang sila ng purpose for me ng dry tissue kapag sa face. So, ayun, bumili ako ng dry facial tissue. This is only for 49 pesos, and ang dami-dami na niya. 10 packs. And, yun, I'm gonna use it for myself and also for my clients for hygienic purposes. So, ayun. And after buying dry tissue, syempre kailangan din natin ng wet wipes for cleansing yung mga makeup brushes ko habang nag-transfer ako from one client to another. Of course, I'm gonna use other cleansing products, pero ito yung parang initial na panglinis ko dun sa makeup brushes nila, kaya ko siya binili. And it's only for 75 pesos. So, ayun. And mabango siya. Also, I like yung amoy ng sweet cucumber. Sweet cucumber kasi fresh lang siya amoyin. Hindi siya yung parang matapang sa ilong or what. So, para kapag naamoy ng clients yung brush ko, it doesn't smell yung bagong linis talaga na masakit sa ilong. So, ayun. For 75 pesos. This is a mattifier, no shine mattifier from Quick Effects. Ayan. I'm gonna use this for my clients kapag gusto nila matte finish yung makeup nila. And kaya ito yung naisip kong gamitin. This is only for 99 pesos. And even if it's affordable, maganda siya gamitin. This used to be my favorite product sa skin ko kapag gumagawa ako ng natural makeup look. Mga everyday look lang. Pero the reason why used to be ko lang siya favorite kasi hindi na ako pwede maglagay ng any product sa face ko. Dahil nga, ito, nag-breakout tayo, te. Yon. So, for now, hindi ko muna ito ginagamit, but I think my clients would love this. It's made from Korea, and it's affordable. You can buy it from Watson's too. Tapos, yun, 99 pesos lang. So, syempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang full coverage liquid foundation. So, what I bought is from Maybelline. So, yung famous nilang Superstay ngayon. And, ayun, favorite ko siya ngayon kasi bukod sa mura siya, it's only for $4.99 but I bought it for $3.99 kasi sale sila nun. Bukod sa mura siya, matagal siyang matanggal. So, it's long-lasting. I haven't tried if it's really 24-hour coverage foundation but based from makeup reviews from other beauty gurus in YouTube and all over the internet, okay naman siya. So, right now, this is my favorite so I'm gonna use it on my clients. And hopefully on myself as well kapag gumaling na yung ating mga keme sa mukha. Keme. Ayun. So, syempre, kailangan din natin ng eyeliner. So, this is my favorite eyeliner. This is a liquid hairbrush eyeliner pen. So, it's waterproof from Intuit. Ayan. Favorite ko to. I've been using this since, I think, 2015. Yun, nung mga panahong umpisa pa lang ako nag-makeup, ito na talaga yung go-to eyeliner ko kasi I've been using this in performances, in competitions, hindi siya natatanggal kahit pawisan siya, hindi siya nagsusmudge. So, this is my favorite eyeliner. Kung naghahanap kayo, I recommend this. So, this is only for $4.99. Yeah, $4.99 and $75. Mura-mura lang siya and matagal siya gamitin for me. At kung gano'n siya karami, if you're wondering, ay 0.55 ml. After sa eyeliner, I also bought this Nichido adhesive, eyelash adhesive. It's only for 60 pesos and katulad nung sa eyeliner, I've been using this since 2015. Never ako nalaglagan or natanggalan ng portion ng lashes using this glue. So I recommend na gamitin nyo to for your lashes kapag nilalagay nyo siya. This is Nichido Cosmetics eyelash adhesive and it's only for 60 pesos. You can buy it from Watson's or other department stores. So, yun. So, this Caroline Blur Stick is only for 199 pesos. Yan. Sorry Caroline, I've never tried using Caroline products before kasi meron akong mga favorite brands and I'm that type of person na hindi ako, before I'm always afraid to try hanggat hindi ko na kikita sa friends ko or sa people that I trust na okay yung product. But now, I don't know, parang nakita ko yung Caroline and tinry ko siya sa kamay ko and nagustuhan ko siya. So, ayun, I bought this for my clients actually kasi may gusto tayong ma-achieve na look na nire-request ng client. And isa pang favorite na binili ko sa Watson's was this makeup remover from Maybelline. Ayan. It's only for 190. Meron din sila ng mas maliit. Kaso kaya ko siya binili kasi mas sulit itong bilhin yung malaki kaysa dun sa maliit. And kaya ko siya favorite kasi since meron siyang oil part and parang water part, mas madali niyang matanggal yung makeup and hindi mo na kailangan i-rub ng madiin yung face mo. Don't forget lang to shake this para talagang makuha niyo yung ayan, gets. Kapag nag-settle siya and hindi ka pa tapos maglagay, just shake it again. So, para makuha niyo talaga yung product na kailangan niyo. Huwag yung puro oil lang kasi sis, yun. Basta just shake it before you use it. So, bukod dun sa makeup remover, I also bought these 2 micellar water bottles from Garnier. It's only for 99 pesos each. And yung kwento nito actually kung bakit dalawa yung nabili was that yung minention ko nga kanina, we wanted our purchase to reach 200. Hey! wanted our purchase to reach 2,800 pesos para makadalawa kami na notebook ng sister ko. And besides these, ang dinagdag pa namin ay itong dry shampoo. This is for my sister actually. Itong dry shampoo from Dove. Actually, favorite ko rin to. And my sister has been buying this for me as well. Pero ito, binili niya for herself muna. So, favorite namin ito ng sister ko kasi para sa mga di nakakaalam, kapag parati ka naliligo ng hair, as in everyday or yung iba nga twice a day pa, nasisira yung hair nyo because of dun sa mga chemicals na nakalagay dun sa shampoo. And sometimes, it's better to parang create a routine na every other day ka lang mag-shampoo or every other day ka lang mag-shampoo and conditioner kasi yung hair mo, as long as nakakatanggap siya ng treatment, kahit shampoo lang yan, may mga chemicals yan, hindi siya nakakapahinga. Yun, parang nagiging siyang dry, nagiging siyang frizzy. So, on days na hindi kami nakakapag-shampoo ng sister ko, we use this Dove Dry Shampoo para, syempre, malinis pa rin yung hair namin kahit hindi naliligo ng hair. And, itong variant na kinuha niya ay Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. So, meron naman nakalagay dito sa bottle kung paano siya gamitin. Yan, it's only for 280 pesos and matagal siyang gamitin. Promise. And mabango rin siya, promise. So, yun. So, balikan natin yung Garnier. So, since dalawa nga yung nabili namin para umabot dun sa kailangan na amount for dun sa freebies, I'm gonna be giving away this one. And may sasama pa akong isang product na makukuha nung makakakuha nito, which is this mascara. Bale, it's called the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline, New York. It's only for 199 and kapag nagsisale sila, it's only for 149 pesos. Kaya ako ito gusto i-giveaway kasi gusto ko i-share sa inyo how easy it is to be used. Tapos, favorite ko siya since I was in high school and ang maganda kasi dito sa mascara na to is yung bristles niya, it looks like this. So, bent siya. Yan, nakalagay. And kapag nilalagay niyo talaga sa lashes niyo, nakakover niyo yung buong lashes niyo. And pwede niyo siyang magamit both for natural look and for glam look. So, kung makikita niyo, ayan. Ito yung, sorry sa pimples ko, ito yung itsura niya kapag ginagamit. So, if you want to try these two products that I'm recommending, just leave any comment below and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna be picking one winner that will get these two products sa aking next video. So, ayun, bukod sa face products, I also bought hair products in addition dun sa dry shampoo. So, I bought these hair Sanrio for only 50 pesos. And clear yung pinili ko kasi para magmamatch sa any color ng hair. And I'm gonna be using this sa clients ko kapag nag-request sila ng additional service for hair. And then, same goes with this comb. Bale, it's only for, what's this? Yun, it's only for 49 pesos. So again, I'm gonna be using this for my clients. And lastly, this hair velcro. 6 pieces siya. So, ito yung nilalagay dito. So again, I'm gonna be using this sa aking clients kapag inayusan ko na sila. So that's it for my What's on Haul 2019. If you want to try out the products that I've mentioned before, please huwag kayong mag-hesitate na pumunta sa Watson stores near you. And baka gusto nyo rin i-avail yung promo nila in a single purchase na 1,400 pesos plus may nabili kayo na isang participating brand. They're gonna give you one of these notebooks. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below for a chance to win these two products. And I'm gonna be choosing one winner next week on my next video. So, ayun. Thank you!